Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. Also do a little bit of product reviews and some haul videos here and there. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And y'all, don't forget we do have 2 active giveaways going on. Both will be linked down below in the description. We have our holiday giveaway that ends on Thanksgiving at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have the Glamour Jewelry Box giveaway that ends on December 10th. So, like I said, both will be linked down below, and definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. But as you can see, it's back. Boxx. Love it so much. Have missed it so much. Thank you, Shauna, the owner, for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. Y'all, Boxx is amazing. Oh my goodness. I know she had a little bit of issues because of, everything going on, and being a small business makes things tough, but she is forging through like she always does. She's an amazing woman and mother. Her and her daughter do this subscription because there's the adult box, there's a teen box. They even have a first time period box. So if you have a daughter or a niece or any young girl special in your life that is around the age of possibly starting her period, they have a first time period box. Wish it was something they had when I was younger, but just saying. So it says, "Get it, girl." So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got for November 2020. I am so glad that it's back. I will put pricing and a link down below if you would like to check them out. So we have our card, and the theme is "Welcome to your Get It Girl box," and it goes over all of the items inside. So I love that. And we're just going to dive in and we are going to see what we got. Now, I do want to say that with this box, you can get it with or without periods essentials like pads, tampons. There's like a heating pad, Advil, panty liners, tea, and I think it's $4 or $5 more to get it with the period essentials, but it's 100% worth it, y'all, I promise. Because, it gives you your period essentials plus all this other amazing goodies, and you get to actually select. It's not just going to be some random pads or tampons sent to you. It is going to be, you let her know what brand, what sizing as far as regular plus super light, whatever, on pads and tampons. You can get both. You can just get pads, just get tampons. I love it. It's amazing that she gives that customization, but she also does customization in other ways. She lets you fill out a profile, and in that you let her know if you enjoy taking baths or showers. You let her know like your favorite colors and different preferences as far as like scents and taste and just differences, because there will be boxes that are customized and items may be in one box but not in another. Like someone may get a bath bomb because they said they love taking baths, where someone else may get a shower steamer because they prefer showers. So not every box is going to be the same. But I've rambled enough. Let's go ahead and get started. So I will start with the snacks. They are right here on top. She always puts yummy, yummy snacks. And we got Pop Puffs, cinnamon churro, yum. So there's that. And then we have got mango, apple, and pumpkin veggie-goes. So that sounds really good. This is basically like a fruit roll-up, but healthy. And then we got, whoa, no. So this is, I'm assuming, like a protein bar, peanut butter, chocolate chip cookie dough. Just, whoa, no. Love that. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here. So those are our snacks this month. And the first item is, it says sample this. This is a skincare packet. It's going to have 2 different items. So you're going to get a Pucker Up Buttercup all natural vegan lip mask, which is right here from Dirtbag Beauty. right there. They both products are from Dirtbag Beauty. And then either Flawless Exfoliating Vegan and Organic Face Cleanser or Clean Slate All Natural Vegan Face Mask. And I got Flawless. And it says bright, soft, smooth, pore perfecting, exfoliating facial cleanser for all skin types. Right there. Okay. And then let's see. We have got something. Soft and gentle, honest for women with Himalayan sea salt natural oil soap. No chemicals or fillers, just premium natural ingredients. It's like egg carton almost. Enjoy a luxurious and awesome cleansing experience with this handmade, certified organic pink Himalayan sea salt and rose kaolin clay soap. The combination creates a creamy lather that makes for wonderfully moisturized, soft skin. Oh, it smells good. I can smell through it. It smells very fresh. I like the way that smells. It smells really good. And then we also got, this is from Boxx, and you guys, they make some of the best like whipped soaps and different things. This is On Wednesdays We Wear Pink Shea Butter Lotion, floral, fruity, and oh so feminine. Let's see if it says anything different here. Girly or not, you'll surely love this feminine blend created especially for our squad. It's floral, fruity blend with crisp notes of sandalwood, warm vanilla, and subtle musk. Oh yeah, girl. That sounds awesome. Oh my goodness. That is so weird because it is fruity, it is floral, and it is feminine and just, but I don't even know. Oh, that just smells like I want to slather it everywhere. Okay. All right. And then let's see, we have, it looks like a chapstick. This is Crazy Rumors Black Cherry Vegan Lip Balm. You can definitely not have too much of this right now. What's a late fall box with a yummy lip balm? Sweet, succulent, and simply mouth-watering. This is fruity cherry bliss at its finest. All right. And then it looks like we have one final item, which is right here. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Because it's cute item. Boxx custom travel mug. We designed this custom travel mug just for our squad. Whether you're a hot chocolate, tea, coffee, or wine, wink wink, kind of girl, this cutie is perfect for on the go, fitting into any cup holder and makes an adorable desk accessory as you sip and get things done. Hand wash only and not recommended for microwave use. Love it. It's like, I don't know. I just really, really like it. It seems very, very well made. But the black and the gold is just a little something extra, something bougie, and I'm loving it. So, yay. So that was our Boxx for November 2020. So happy that it's back. I have missed Boxx. It's been a few months. And y'all, I'm going to tell you something. It could not have come back at a better time because obviously next month is December, which is stocking stuffer month, y'all. Stocking stuffer month is like the best. It is literally where they take items that they may have left over from boxes, or they just find these amazing items and you literally get your box and it is a huge stocking stuffed full of all kinds of amazing products. Like, out of the 12 months, it is by far the best month for Boxx. All months with Boxx are amazing, but nothing beats stocking stuffer month. Nothing beats December for Boxx. The way she does the stocking stuffer box is always just phenomenal and blows my mind. I'm like, it's like there's just more and more and more and more. It is fantastic. So if you have been on the fence about Boxx, I definitely recommend signing up as soon as possible to make sure that you do get the December stocking stuffer box. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. I will make sure a link is down below and a reminder that next month is stocking stuffer month so you don't forget. Guys, what did you think of the box? What did you think of this month? Are you excited for stocking stuffer month? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. I can't thank you enough, guys, just for being here and watching. It is so appreciated, more than you will know. But I, again, thank you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.